What's up everyone, Freakenstein here, and today we got another package in the mail. Let's open this thing up and see what we got. And just a quick shout out to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it, and you know, it's been a fun journey, and I'm going to keep on going for you guys. So today we got something big. It's definitely something big. Well, looky what we got. We got some Dinobots. We got some Dinobots. Like always, this is Freakenstein saying, keep playing Freakenstein out.